The Scoop platform belongs to a new category of software, Mobile Process Management and Automation, or MPMA for short. MPMA is an emerging category of software that allows highly distributed, remote, and field-intensive teams to achieve new levels of productivity, something that is more important than ever in today's workforce. MPMA cuts down on soft costs and wasted resources by streamlining communication, eliminating repetitive tasks, centralizing project data, and implementing fail-safes to protect against missing and delayed updates. The Scoop product suite consists of 3 software solutions: Scoop, Glue, and Looksy. For this video, we're answering the question, what is Scoop? Scoop is a cloud-based field project management software designed for renewable installers and service providers that connects field and office teams. Let's review some key features of the Scoop platform that are helping leading solar operations run faster and more efficiently than ever before. The powerful Project Tracker Live gives all stakeholders a centralized dashboard to see and track the progress of projects. The Scoop mobile app connects your field and office teams in real time while providing native data and photo capture, work assignment, and communication features. A unique and specialized data architecture with global fields makes it easy to manage and provide access to project documents, data, and pictures. Take advantage of flexible and easy-to-configure auto actions to eliminate manual steps, automate critical task assignments, and keep customers up to date with automated progress emails. The team-wide Scoop calendar functionality simplifies work scheduling and dispatch with multi-day events, access controls, resource optimization, and more. Use the PDF report builder to simplify field installation or service visit reporting. Advanced roles and access controls allow you to manage teams and partners by territory, line of business, and work type. And last but not least, enjoy unlimited users, client sites, and data storage to extend the benefits of the Scoop platform to your internal and external teams. This was a brief introduction to help you familiarize yourself with Scoop Solar, our products, and the industries we serve. We hope it was helpful in answering some of your initial questions. If you have more questions or are looking for a full product demo, we would love to connect with you.